Blow A Train. Get up.
Sex is just a spectrum, right, bro?
Get off your fucking knees. This is exactly what I'm talking about.
Ran across the Rockies, took out the terrorists, disarmed the bomb.
Then what?
What you mean, man? Then I got some popcorn, I watched the rest of Pacific Rim Uprising.
Why don't you tell him the truth?
Just be chill, all right?
You sneaking around with my boys behind my back. But I need to chill.
Come on, Dad. Uncle Reggie was just telling us about his saves.
You want to tell him or should I? Come on, man. That terrorist? That was a stunt, man. Those mountains? They added those in post. Your saves were never real. You never actually saved anyone. Yet here you are, lying to your own flesh and blood. I told you. Your uncle is no hero. And I don't want you anywhere near him.
Yeah, it took y'all long enough to get here from Trenton.
Traffic, am I right?
The fuck are you doing here?
The eyes. It's always the eyes. Here.
What is this?
Security cam footage of your two starlighters. About a mile from the bodies at time of death. It's hard to commit a murder when you're 20 blocks away.
Why are you giving this to us?
You could have gotten my face in front of my family, but you didn't. Let's call it a thank you.
Thank you, E. I would have blasted the shit out of you, and you would have deserved it.
Yeah, I agree.
A-Train! What the fuck are you doing here? Taking V, huh?
What the hell are you doing in here?
Nothing.
You left a floater in his toilet?
That was there when I got here. If Homelander knew you took that V, he would flay you alive.
Looks like we both have a problem.
Looks like we do.
So, what do we do about it?
This bullshit, right? You're not gonna forgive me. Yeah, thought so.
Wait. You're right. I was gonna tell you to go fuck yourself, but I changed my mind. We're good.
No, keep your eyes forward. Don't let them see us talking.
Who?
Sage, Homelander, all of them.
Oh God, are you on meth?
Remember when we said we'd help each other? The leak wasn't Annika, it was me.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Are you fucking suicidal?
Out.
Chill out. You just made me a fucking accomplice, you piece of shit. I took one shit in Homelander's toilet. I'm not joining the fucking Rebel Alliance. I need to tell him.
Hey, you've done a lot more than just take a shit, and we both know that. We made a deal, so you either help me get Sage off my jock, or you go down with me.
The Vernon family started out as slave catchers. Now we own more private prisons than any other company in the US of A.
And you sure know how to fill them.
You know, I bet A-Train here would have given my great-great-granddaddy a run for his money.
Oh.
Huh? But we would have caught you.
Oh.
I guess we'll never know.
Look, this is a white Christian nation founded on white Christian values. Church and state are the same thing. We need Supreme Court justices who will protect our values, no matter how much they cost.
Well, my 2 cents is
Oh, fuck no. I'm not taking him. You're gonna get me murdered. Let's try it, bitch. Get the door.
Come in.
This is it? You think I don't want to just peace out to Belize, sip a daiquiri, smash the local talent?
Hit a price line there, motherfucker.
Hey, this shit ain't over.
It's over for me. I've given enough. Maybe I deserve to be fucking happy.
You know, when I carried Joe ass to the ER, there was a kid there. His eyes were like, holy shit. Looking at me like I was a hero. There were no screaming fans, no cameras. Nobody even knew, except for this one kid. That felt better than anything that I had ever done at Vought. 'Cause for once, I didn't hate myself. That's on you.
Hey, Train, you don't get it, do you, man? This fight that we're in, this never fucking ends. It killed my father. It killed his father. And look at what it's doing to me. It's tearing me the fuck apart. Just like it did them. You know, I look in the mirror, and I don't even see myself no more. I got nothing left. Except my family.
You think Homelander and Vought and all of this shit ain't coming to Belize? It's a whole fucking world? Where's your family gonna go then?
What are you doing? Wait, you're the leak?
Did he just talk?
Bro, it was you, bro.
Deep, just FYI, I have always fucking hated your ass.
Oh, fuck.
Let me fly.
Eat a flying dick, motherfucker.
Noir will be back up here in no time, so let's go.
A-Train.
Listen, we gotta go. Now. Deep and Noir know that I'm the leak.
Wait, what?
Homelander's about to find out any second.
Did you say anything about me, you fucking asshole?
Of course not. I didn't say anything.
A-Train, what the fuck?
Ashley!
What the fuck?
This is our chance. This is our chance. Florence? Anywhere. But let's go. Suit yourself.
Wait. Your chip. Don't forget to cut it out.